How to quickly create auto-resizing text boxes in After Effects. Here we've got a rectangle and a text layer that I animated using Text Animator. Let's apply an expression to the size property of the rectangle. First we will make variables for the x and y axis. Then using the source rect@time expression, we will get the width of the text layer for the x-axis and the height of the text layer for the y-axis. We can also add padding if you would like. We used the time expression for the source rect@time, so the size property follows the text animation because time uses the current time of the composition. This means that if the text size changes while our composition is playing, the rectangle size will change too. We can put any specific point in time in parentheses instead of using the time expression. For example, we can use the out point, which is basically the end point of the layer's duration. Our expression now takes the width and height of the text at the out point of the layer. But as we can see, if there's any animation there, it will also change the size property. If we don't want that, we can just use the midpoint of the layer's duration instead. To find the midpoint, just subtract the in point from the out point and divide them by 2. Next, we need to make sure that the rectangle adjusts to the text when we change the font size or edit it. Since the rectangle's anchor point is in the center, the text's anchor point should be fixed to the center too. We can use source rect@time for this too. Then we can find the left edge of the text layer for the x-axis and the top edge for the y-axis. Now we can use the formulas left plus width divided by 2 and top plus height divided by 2 for the x and y axis respectively.